Have you ever missed someone so deeply that it physically hurt? Or have you ever longed for a place, a time, or even a feeling that you know you'll never get back? If you said yes, you have felt something that in Portuguese we call saudade. Saudade. Today I'll show you what saudade really means in Brazilian Portuguese and how to use it in real-life conversations. Olá, pessoal! If you're learning Portuguese, you have probably come across the word saudade, or in its plural form, saudades. Saudade is often called one of the most beautiful and mysterious words in Portuguese. Some compare it to nostalgia, but saudade is more than that. It's an emotional fingerprint of Portuguese and Brazilian culture. Yes, it's when you miss something deeply, a person, a moment, a smell, a feeling. You can feel saudade of your childhood home or of someone who is alive but far away. It's a bittersweet feeling. Sadness for what's missing and joy for having lived, experienced it. Olavo Bilac, a poet, once said, saudade, presença dos ausentes. Yeah? The presence, or saudade, the presence of those who are absent. Saudade, presença dos ausentes, or as Manuel de Melo, a Portuguese writer, well described. Prazer que se sofre, uma doença que se desfruta. Yeah, saudade is a pleasure you suffer, an ailment you enjoy. Prazer que se sofre, uma doença que se desfruta. Saudade helped shape Portuguese identity during the age of exploration. Imagine leaving home, unsure if you would ever return. So poems, songs were born out of that pain, and today saudade lives on in music, in literature, and in daily life. By the way, saudade is the Brazilian Portuguese pronunciation. Time to get practical. How do Brazilians actually use the word saudade? Well, we can say estar com saudade de, sentir saudade de, ter saudade de. Yes? So it means to feel, to have saudade of something. Examples. Oh, I miss you so much. Eu estou com saudade de você. Eu sinto saudade de você. Eu tenho saudade de você. Another example. Oh, I miss my childhood. Eu estou com saudade. Eu sinto saudade. Eu tenho saudade da minha infância. I miss the smell of my grandmother's cooking. Eu estou com saudade. Eu sinto saudade. Eu tenho saudade do cheiro da comida da minha avó. I miss hanging out with my friends after school. Eu estou com saudade. Eu sinto saudade. Eu tenho saudade de sair com meus amigos depois da escola. Notice that after saudade we have the preposition de. De, do, da. Yeah? Now it's your turn. Complete this sentence and tell me in the comments. Eu tenho saudade de... You know I can't hear you. Yes, you need to write your sentence down in the comments. Please do it. Take a moment. What comes to your mind? Eu tenho saudade de... Moving on. In everyday speech, you'll hear other expressions with saudade. For example, remember, lembrar com saudade de. So, that means to remember something fondly with longing. Eu me lembro com saudade daquela época. Yes, I remember that time fondly. Eu me lembro com saudade daquela época. Another expression is with the verb morrer, to die. Morrer de saudade de. Yeah, this one is an exaggeration. To die of saudade. Eu estou morrendo de saudade de falar com você. Yes, I'm dying to talk to you. Eu estou morrendo de saudade de falar com você. Another expression is matar, to kill. Matar a saudade. Yeah, that is to end saudade, to do something to end that feeling. I can't remember the last time we got together. Oh, we have to catch up after a long time. Yeah. Temos que nos encontrar, we have to meet. Temos que nos encontrar para matar a saudade. Temos que nos encontrar para matar a saudade. If you like Brazilian music, click here to learn how to sing a beautiful song about saudade. Thank you very much for watching another lesson. Já estou com saudade. I miss you already. Já estou com saudade. And see you next time. Até a próxima. Tchau!